Hi, I'm Keshia East and I'm so excited to show you Eylure's ProMagnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. It's incredible. This is going to change your lash game in just 2 steps. There's no glue required and you can wear the lashes up to 15 times. When applying the liner, make sure to let each coat dry completely and apply the liner across the entire length of the lash line, paying special attention to the inner and outer corners. This will keep the lashes from lifting at the edges. To get the best look for your eye shape, start with a light layer. Continue to build a fuller line with your second and third coat. For best magnetism, build the liner to be at least as thick as the lash band. Today I've gone for a winged eyeliner look to give my eyes a little bit more definition. With ProMagnetic, you can go with any liner look, from natural to dramatic. My top application tip would be to lay the magnetic lash on top of your natural lashes as close to your lash line as possible and press down to secure. Pay particular attention to the inner and outer corners. So here is the final look. It was super easy to achieve. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait for you to try these out. Stay tuned for more ProMagnetic videos.